Hello there, my friend. So last month I shared a video talking a little bit about alkalinity and how alkaline water could be superior to bottled or tap water. I definitely recommend checking it out, and I actually put a link in the comments below. But today we're actually going to go ahead and test a few of these drinks that I used to drink and that I'm drinking now. Maybe you find yourself drinking some of these, and we're going to go ahead and test the pH of these different liquids. Now, pH stands for potential hydrogen. Right off the bat, we're going to go ahead and test Sprite right here. Now, I chose Sprite because of its clear liquid form, but pretty much all sodas are the same. Next off, we have Propel. Now, Propel, I used to drink back as a kid because I used to play a lot of sports, along with Gatorade. You know, you always gotta have Gatorade there. I drank Gatorade and Propel as a kid because I was in sports a lot. Next off, we have purified water. Next up, we have Dasani, America's most popular bottled water. Now, honestly, this used to be, 2 years ago, this was my bottled water of choice. I didn't like anything else, but not anymore, I'll tell you that. Next up, we have tap water. Next up, we have Kangen water there. So now, we're gonna go ahead and test the pH of these liquids. We're gonna see which ones are alkaline and which ones are acidic. Because right now, you could be looking at the cups and saying, all right, Eduardo, what's the big deal? Water's water, all the cups look the same. Well, with these pH drops, we're going to go ahead and see what the naked eye cannot see. So, start off with Sprite here. Now I'm going to go ahead and stir these up real quick just so you can see them nice and clearly. Try not to make a mess here. So, as you can see from the start, let's check Sprite. Where do you see Sprite at? The most acidic, right? Pretty acidic right there. Next up, we have Propel. Let's see where this lands at. Pretty acidic as well. Purified water. Where do you see purified water? Acidic. Also very acidic. Dasani, my favorite bottled water back in the day. Also very acidic. Next up, we have tap water. Tap water is, I would say, neutral, maybe slightly alkaline. And you're always going to find tap water to be neutral or slightly alkaline because it's federally regulated by the government. So besides the chlorine and the fluoride, they actually put lye in the water to raise the pH because lye has a pH of 14, so it's super alkaline. So yeah, they put that in the water to raise the pH of our city tap waters. So I don't think they're too concerned about our pipes. They're more concerned about the city pipes, right? But that's why you're always going to find tap water as neutral or slightly alkaline. Next off, we have Kangen water. Where do you see Kangen water at? Alkaline, right? Yes. So I bet you didn't know you were drinking so many acidic drinks, huh? Check this out. I'm gonna take some of this Kangen water here, and we're gonna go ahead and pour it in some of these drinks and just see what happens. Let's just see what happens. Did you see that? I put a little bit of Kangen water into the Dasani, and it neutralized it and turned it into alkaline. Same with the purified water. Now, watch these last two right here. Keep an eye on these two. Did you see that? You see how these kind of turn colors? This one, Propel, didn't even try to turn colors because it's so acidic. Now let's watch Sprite now. Soda. Look at that. No color change because it's super acidic, guys. That's how potent this is. Now, we're going to go ahead and take some diluted Sprite here. You just saw me pour a bunch of water into this, right? We're going to go ahead and check what happens when we pour this into the other liquids. Look at that. This is no magic trick, alright? I don't do magic. I'm just here to inform and try and help out my fellow people. Next up we have Dasani. Look at that. Turned it right back to acidic. The same with Tap, and even our Kangen water. It destroys our Kangen water. So when you're drinking this water, that's what it's going to help to do, is to balance your pH, as you saw when I first poured it into the cups. If you're drinking soda, this has a pH of about 2.5. So it's actually 50,000 times more acidic than if you were starting from the neutral point right there. So I think you can see now with the other videos that I shared that drinking Kangen water with its negative ORP, right? The microclustering of the water, and as you saw, the pH, the high alkaline of the water, this should be the water of choice for everyone to drink because it's far superior water than bottled or tap. And it's more beneficial for the body. So, thank you guys for your time. I appreciate you watching this video. Go ahead and check out some of my other videos if you haven't. Go ahead and message me for any questions, or if you want to know how to get a hold of your own device that can make this water, message me and I can help you out. Thank you. Have a good day.